All right, so here recently I've been thinking about these ERPOs, the extreme risk protective orders, and the amount of people that can actually petition the court for the ERPO. The question is, how does one protect themselves from an actor that may use the power of petition to strip you of your Second Amendment right, at least temporarily? Now, here in Colorado, there are several people who can actually petition the court. That's a medical professional, that's an educational professional, law enforcement officer, former lovers that may or may not have been married, those who share custody with a child that may or may not have been married, and also former spouses. Now, in general, the interaction has to be within 6 months, right? So, for example, somebody can't petition the court for something that happened a year ago. It has to be within 6 months. What's really concerning, I think, is the medical and educational professionals. So medical is pretty easy. Just don't tell them you have firearms, and they don't have any reason to petition the court, in my personal opinion. Now, the educational professionals, that's a little bit different, and especially if you work in the firearms realm, where I'm an instructor, right? So, and obviously I like to promote my business and my services. So it's kind of difficult to keep it on the hush-hush that, I have firearms. Later on today, I'll be going to Colorado Tech to do my coursework there. And so I interact with, obviously, a professor, at least. That's one person that can petition the court. My son goes to an elementary school, so at least there's one person there that can petition the court. Probably several people in that school that can petition the court for something. It really brings the question, how do you protect yourself against erroneous claims from somebody who may or may not be anti-gun, anti-self-defense, anti-2A, so on and so forth. So that's the question. Post your comments below. Tech out.